Hi everyone! It's me, Teacher Abby. Welcome to our online class. Today, we're going to talk about the letter C. The letter is C. The sound is K. Again, the letter is C. The sound is K. K, K, K. But did you know that the letter C has two sounds? Now let's find out. Now look at the board. Listen as I read the sentence. Carol can color cute cats in the circle. Again, Carol can color cute cats in the circle. Now, this time, let's underline all the letter C's in the sentence. Okay, listen as I read again the sentence. Carol can color cute cats in the circle. Again, Carol can color cute cats in the circle. Now look at the word circle. How many C's are there in the word circle? Yes, there are two C's. Now, how many sounds do you hear when I say the word circle? How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many? Yes, there are two sounds of letter C in the word circle. Now today, we're going to learn about the two sounds of the letter C. The hard C, K sound, and the soft C, S sound. Now, let's talk about the hard C sound. Now look at the board. The letter is C. The sound is K. K, K, K. The words are cloud, class, queue. Again, the words are cloud, class, queue. Now repeat after me. Cloud. Ow, d. Cloud. Good. Next. Class. Great. Next. Q. K. U. B. Q. Good. The letter is C. The sound is K.
Alright, so now let's talk about the letter C and the sound S or the soft C. Look at the board. The letter is C, the sound is S. The words are circle, circus, symbol, center. Repeat after me. S, circle. Good. S, circus. Good job. S, symbol. Well done. S, center. All right. So now, when does the letter C have the sound S? When it is followed by the letter I. Letter E. Good job. And the letter excellent. Y. All right? So C-I, C-E, and C-Y. The sound of the C is S. Understood? Alright, now let's play a game. Teacher May will say a word that has the letter C, and if the sound of the C is S, you clap your hands 2 times. Teacher Abby? 1, 2. Now, if the sound of the C is K, you shake your hands 2 times.
1, 2.
And if Teacher May says a word that has the 2 sounds of the letter C, S and K, you
Clap your hands 2 times and shake your hands 2 times.
Let's play. Teacher Abby first. Teacher Abby, are you ready?
Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
All right. Okay. The first word is pencil.
Pencil.
Good job. Cat. Well done. Ice cream. Excellent. All right, understood. Now it's your turn. Remember, S, K. All right, let's go. Are you ready? Are you ready? The first word is face.
Face. Good.
Next, circle.
Circle. Great.
Next, cube.
Cube.
Next, circus.
Circus. Good.
Bicycle.
Bicycle. Great.
Dice.
Dice. Good.
Crab.
Crab. Good.
All right, now let's do it in a sentence. When you hear the letter C with the sound S and K sound, you do the action. All right? For example, Teacher Abby, are you ready?
Yes, I am.
All right, here's the sentence. The cat is in the circus. Excellent. The words are cat and circus. Cat as in K and circus as in S and K. All right, now it's your turn. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Can you eat ice cream? Again, can you eat ice cream? All right, next. Can Carol ride a bicycle? Again, can Carol ride a bicycle? All right. Next, she can roll a dice. Again, she can roll a dice. All right. Good job.
It's activity book time. Open your book to page 48. Now let's read the words. Dice, cloud, class, circus, cat, cube, circle, ice cream, and pencil. Now here's what to do. Circle the words with the soft C sound in blue. Soft C sound in blue. And circle the words with the hard C sound in red. Hard C sound in red. And circle the words with both k and s sounds in green. Circle the words with both k and s in green.
And after that, write all the words with k sound here. Next, write all the words with s sound here. And write all the words with both k and s sound here. Understood? Do it now.